Notepad++ expand/collapse block with keyboard. My question is pretty straightforward. Is there a way in Notepad++ to expand and collapse blocks with keyboard shortcut? I already know about the Alt+0 and Alt+Shift+0 to expand, collapse all blocks, but I want to achieve this for a single block. The behavior I want to reproduce is when you click the little + symbol near a code or XML block, but with keyboard only.
Ctrl+Alt+F collapse current level and Ctrl+Alt+Shift+F expand it.
In short, Alt+0 folds, collapses, all blocks. Alt+1 folds all level 1. Alt+2 folds all level 2. Alt+X etc. And Alt+Shift+0 unfolds all. Alt+Shift+1 unfolds level 1. Alt+Shift+2 unfolds level 2. Alt+Shift+3 unfolds level 3. Alt+Shift+X etc. And yes, VZLM, in the shortcut mapper, in the menu settings, the command Alt+3 is mapped to a command named 3. This one is below the command, collapse current level, so the meaning is, collapse level 3, or fold all level 3 blocks.
Ouch.